Jungle Boy Mowgli. Once upon a time, deep in a forest, there lived a group of kind animals. There were Father Wolf, Mother Wolf, Baloo, the
brown bear and
Bagheera.
a black panther.
There was a jackal named Tabaki and a great lone wolf called Akela. Other animals also lived there such as Sahi and Poshpine, Rikki-tikki-tavi,
The mongoose, Mang, the bear.
More, the peacock, Hathi, the chief of the elephants, the Bandarlog, the monkey people, Kaa, the wicked python, Sher Khan, the tiger who was ever hungry. One day, when Father Wolf was out hunting, he sensed some sound and saw rustling of branches under a tree. He went near to see a small child. Father Wolf sighed and said to Mother Wolf, "He will die here in the forest.
Let us
Take him with us, and we shall rear him together. Let's name him Mowgli." This was how Mowgli, a human child, came to live for nearly 10 years among the forest creatures. Day after day, Baloo the old brown bear taught him the laws of the forest. Bagheera would sneak through wild vegetation to see what his pupils were doing. Bagheera would settle under a tree to see Mowgli reciting his lesson to Baloo. Gradually, the child grew. He had learned to swim, walk.
run and climb over the trees.
The animals taught him the lessons of treatment of the trees, wild bees and water snakes. Mowgli learned the hunting calls of animals, which meant, "I am hungry. Let me hunt." Its reply was, "Hunt for your hunger and not for your pleasure." When Mowgli was not learning, he was enjoying himself with various animals. One day a terrible thing happened. Akela fell ill seriously. All the animals were worried. If Akela died, who would protect the teeny human baby from the hostile wolves, from the intruders, and from Sher Khan, since the little baby was out of the place in the forest? His well-wishers in the forest were worried about his safety. Bagheera said to Mowgli, "Some of the animals hate you because they cannot match with your intelligence. Go down the little huts in the valley and pick the red flower that people grow there. That red flower is stronger
Then all the animals here.
even Baloo and Sher Khan. The red flower was in fact fire. Every animal lived his whole life in mortal fear of it." Mowgli did as he was told. When he came back with burning embers alight in hollow stone, Akela, the lone wolf, gathered all animals and said, "I am old and about to die soon, but his little baby, whom I have protected, will remain alive because he holds the red flower in his hands. He will be master of you all. But until he is man, Mowgli must go back to his own people in the valley." Mowgli was saddened at these words. He sobbed and tears rolled down his cheeks as Akela lay down for the last time. Mowgli did not know what the tears meant. He asked Bagheera, "What is happening? Why is this water flowing?
From my eyes and why I am sobbing.
Will I die, Bagheera?" "No, little creatures,
These are only tears.
which human beings have. You must go away now," said Bagheera. "We shall never forget you. When you have grown into a man, come to the foot of hill and we will talk once again."
I shall return.
Promised Mowgli. "Don't forget me. Tell of them not to forget me." And at daybreak, Mowgli, with a heavy heart,
Marched down the hill alone.
leaving behind all his
Companions
with whom he lived his childhood, on his way to the valley where those mysterious beings called human live.